Let's take a look at some factors affecting demand. Demand elasticity. So urgency of purchase. If a purchase has to be quickly, demand is inelastic. For example, if a consumer's gas tank is empty, they will pay whatever the next gas station price is because the need for gas is immediate. Brand loyalty. When the consumer will not accept a substitute product, demand becomes inelastic. For example, some people only buy Kraft macaroni and cheese. They would not buy a generic brand. Price relative to income. If price increases are significant to a consumer's income, demand will be elastic. For example, if the price of a blender goes from being $150 to $1,000, consumers will not be able to afford it, so they will not buy it. Luxury versus necessity. Necessary products like medicine for someone who's sick are inelastic. Luxurious products are elastic. For example, when a person is sick, they will pay very high prices for the medicine they need to be well. But if the price of jewelry increases greatly, consumers will buy less because it's not necessary for everyday living. Availability of substitutes. When substitutes are available, demand becomes elastic. For example, there are many options for breakfast cereals. If one is less expensive than another, a consumer will choose the cheaper cereal.